I still love you like crazy.
Go get your lawnmower. All right. Woohoo! Happy Wednesday, because I always post on Wednesdays, so I know it's gonna go up on Wednesday. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my weekend vlog. Tate's leaving for a hunting trip tonight, so we thought we'd cram a lot of fun things in to make it more of a happy exodus instead of a sad exodus for him. So we're just gonna do a bunch of fun family fall activities today. We're doing the pumpkin patch, classic. We're doing some muffins. We're gonna see if there's any pumpkin puree in the store. I'm guessing there's not gonna be any. We're just gonna be outside. We're going to enjoy the warm weather. So thank you for being here. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. As always, I'm gonna keep it real and honest with you all, starting by showing you that this is a beautiful backdrop with my hats, but I just pushed all of this stuff off of the desk to make it look clean. So anyway, thanks for being here. See you at the pumpkin patch. I'm coming up too. Now we're in one of my favorite stores in our city. I have a gift card here, so I'm gonna find some goodies. Natural skincare, I love this stuff. Wait, I've got our pumpkins. Now Wrecker and I are gonna go to the store and get some pumpkin puree because that's what you do in fall. And we're gonna make some pumpkin muffins because it's also what you do in fall. It's gonna be delicious. Hopefully they have pumpkin puree. The last time I went, it was all gone, so might be going on an adventure to find some pumpkin puree. Story. They didn't have any pumpkin there. So what I'm gonna do is maybe an apple fritter cinnamon type muffin. I'm gonna look up a recipe, see if there's a healthy version, and it'll be nice. It'll be something different because I've made pumpkin muffins before, so maybe like a cinnamon apple muffin. That sounds good. And my muffins just came out of the oven, so let me show you. I'm going to give you guys this recipe. Came up with it on a whim. Happy Sunday. You know what else is needed when you're having a fall themed day? Enya. If you guys haven't heard Enya, strongly encourage you guys to take a listen. I wish I could play it for you guys right now, but I'd get copyrighted, so look it up yourself. All right, it's now lunchtime. And what I'm gonna do is, sorry, the lighting in my kitchen is subpar. But what we're gonna do is make some fried rice with clean ingredients, no soy sauce, sub coconut aminos, add some eggs, cauli rice, broccoli. I've got some peas and carrots from the freezer. Oh, broccoli from last night I'm gonna toss in there. Organic cauliflower rice. So I just started with a little bit of ghee and I'm scrambling up our eggs, and then I'll just add everything because everything is pretty much cooked. Where are you? Okay, great. Instead of soy sauce, I'm going to use our coconut aminos with some garlic powder, some onion powder. Yeah, it's gonna be delicious. So I recently went to acupuncture, actually recently as in yesterday, because I've been feeling so exhausted and really fatigued, very unmotivated, a lot of brain fog. And she told me that my stomach is not at its highest functioning level. That's a good sizzle. On top of that, she also told me that I need to focus on lowering my stress levels, which I've known for a very long time, but hard to do in our lifestyle and with 2 kids. Alas, I am working on it. And then finally, she told me to focus on eating warm foods and an absence of cold. And if you followed me for a while, you know that I am not into eating cold foods, drinking cold smoothies, drinking cold water, because I know it creates stagnation in your stomach and then a lack of ability to digest properly, thus draining your energy levels. Okay, so it took me a long time to get there, but I'm now there. And so my meals, as you see, are very warm. Are you still hungry? Are you hungry? We're gonna get to lunch. Whoa! I'm gonna have to leave this recipe down below for you guys because this Cauli fried rice, I'm sure there are recipes out there, but this is so tasty.
Mr. Kim, I love this dinner.
This lunch, how much did your mom pay you to say that? It's all vegetables, but it tastes like fried rice. Like, that was really unladylike. I'm sorry. You guys have got to try this. It's so easy. I whipped it together in 10 minutes. Tons of protein, tons of veg. Healthy fats. This is probably the worst game of chess you will ever see. Alas, we still play. He's much better than I am. I mean, I haven't won a game in about 5 matches, so. Alright, so I lost. Well done. Well done. But this is definitely something we've tried to do, not that much in the last month, but we bought it so that we would do less phone or movies and more mind games and strengthening your brain. And I'm really bad at it. He's not that bad, but it's not fun losing. Okay, as you can see, my eyes are a little bit sleepy. We've got the dishwasher on, the kitchen's clean, my bone broth is cooking, lost in chess. So I'm just going to make some rose tea. That sounds really delicious. And then rest my eyes. We've got some family activities tonight, so I'm probably not gonna vlog that, but I'll vlog up until then. So, okay, I've got my flannel on, I've got my cozy blanket, and now I'm going to turn on my Audible. I'm listening to the book on tape and reading it when I can at night, called The Most Important Place on Earth by Robert Wolgemuth. Remember, in my October intentions video, this is my goal, is to finish this book, which is really hard for me because I get sidetracked and I get too sleepy at night. I'll see you after.
Chicago Tribune, which I delivered early in the morning.
I love the way she moves it when she's watering our garden with her headphones, singing off key Ariana through the window, and I can't help but hum along. Yeah. And you and I could stay in on a Saturday night. We don't gotta go out just to have a good time. All we need is take out in a bottle of wine. We don't need that much to have the time of our lives. You and me and 20 bucks. You and me and that's enough. We don't need that fancy stuff.
Fun's over.
You and me and that's enough.
Fun's over. Yep, nope.
We got no worries, 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 worries. Oh, yeah. We got no worries, 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 worries. Worries. she's curled up on
Cheers.
the sofa on the
Got some
land.
ice cream.
There's no ice cream. Candy apple.
We got peony apple.
She can't help but make me smile.
The peacocks are literally right here. Barker, come here. Come here. Like, is this real life? I don't know what got into me, but part of me thought that those were wild when they are indeed not wild. I found out a few minutes later that those belong to the neighbor who takes part in a circus. Go along with my excitement thinking that these albino peacocks are wild to a back road in St. Louis, Missouri. They're gonna hurt me?
And you and I could stay in on a Saturday night. We don't gotta go out just to have a good time. All we need is take
God, that was crazy. So cool. I know. But I did come over here to say, I rarely eat sugars, especially around holidays and like the stress. I just try not to eat sugar. But Merb's candy apples always will eat.
Happy birthday